If Firefox is showing the message that your connection is not secure, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that can usually solve the problem fast. This issue can happen because of an incorrect system date and time, cached browser data, antivirus interference, or even a VPN connection that's blocking secure sites. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to troubleshoot it step by step. And before we jump in, if this guide helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. The first thing we're going to check is your date and time, because if your computer's clock is wrong, Firefox can think secure websites are unsafe. To fix that, go down to the bottom right corner of your screen and right-click on the clock in the taskbar. From the menu that appears, click Adjust Date and Time. This will open your Windows date and time settings. Once you're in the settings window, look for the option that says Set Time Automatically and turn it on. This allows your computer to keep the correct time using the internet, which is important for secure website certificates. After that, click Sync Now to force your system to update the time immediately. Give it a few seconds, then go back to Firefox and try loading the website again. In many cases, that alone can fix the issue. If the problem is still there, the next step is to check your antivirus software. Sometimes antivirus programs scan secure connections too aggressively and cause Firefox to display security warnings. You may need to temporarily turn off your antivirus, just to test whether it's the cause. Open your antivirus program, find the protection settings, and disable it briefly. Then refresh Firefox and see if the website loads properly. If it does, then your antivirus is likely interfering with the connection. Just remember to turn it back on after testing so your system stays protected. Now let's clear the browser cache and cookies, because old or corrupted site data can also trigger secure connection errors. In Firefox, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard at the same time. This opens the Clear Recent History window. Here, make sure you tick Site Data and Cache. You can uncheck the other options if you only want to remove the files that are most likely causing the issue. After that, click Clear. Firefox will remove the stored data, which can help reset the connection and solve loading problems on secure websites. Once that is done, close and reopen Firefox, then check the site again. If the warning still appears, the next thing to try is disabling your VPN. VPNs can sometimes route your traffic through servers that cause certificate or connection issues in Firefox. If you are using a VPN app or browser extension, turn it off completely and then reload the website. If the page opens normally after disabling the VPN, then you've found the cause. At this point, you've gone through the main fixes that usually resolve the connection is not secure message in Firefox. First, you corrected the date and time, then you checked your antivirus, cleared the cache and cookies, and finally disabled the VPN. These are the most common solutions, and in many cases, one of them will solve the problem right away. If you want more simple troubleshooting videos like this, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. And if this video helped you fix Firefox, please give it a like. It really helps the channel out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.